All right, let's talk about Amazon Bedrock. If you're building generative AI applications on AWS, this is without a doubt the foundational service you absolutely have to get your head around. So here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with what Bedrock actually is, then we'll check out the huge range of models it offers. After that, we'll peek under the hood to see how it works, understand its key advantages, and then finally, we'll look at the advanced stuff that really lets you power up your AI applications. Okay, let's dive right in. What exactly is Amazon Bedrock? And why is it the place so many developers on AWS are starting their generative AI journey? I mean, that's the big question, right? The world of generative AI can feel kind of overwhelming. But for anyone building on AWS, the answer is actually pretty clear. It's a single, powerful service that's designed to make everything simpler. And yep, you guessed it, that service is Amazon Bedrock. So Bedrock is what we call a fully managed service. Now, if you're studying for your AWS certification exam, you'll want to highlight that term. It basically just means you don't have to worry about managing servers or any of that infrastructure headache. AWS handles all of that for you, so you can just focus on the fun part, building your app. And right from the get-go, Bedrock is built on these core ideas of security and simplicity. This is huge. You keep total control over your data. It never leaves the safety of your own AWS account. You combine that with a really straightforward pay-per-use price, and it makes the whole thing incredibly secure and easy to get started with. Okay, so Bedrock gives you this simple, secure foundation. But its real power, well, that comes from the choice and flexibility it offers. Let's look at this incredible marketplace of models that's right at your fingertips. See, instead of being locked into just one option, Bedrock gives you access to a whole marketplace of top-tier foundation models. You can pick and choose from providers like Anthropic, Meta, Mistral AI, and of course, Amazon's own Titan models. They're all in one place, ready to go. Now pay close attention because this slide represents a critical security promise. When you use one of these models, your data is never sent back to the original company, and it is never, ever used to train their public models. Everything happens securely inside a copy of that model that's running inside your own AWS account. That's a huge deal. So how does Bedrock actually connect you to all these amazing tools? Let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the architecture. At the very heart of the service, you've got the brain, that whole collection of powerful foundation models we just talked about. This is the engine that does all the heavy lifting, taking in your prompts and generating the responses for your app. And getting started is super simple. It doesn't matter if you're a developer using the API or just someone playing around in the AWS console, the process is always the same. You pick a model, you give it a prompt, a question, or a command, and you get a response back. It's really that easy. But here is where it gets incredibly powerful. What if the AI could securely access your company's private data? Well, that's exactly what knowledge bases let you do, using a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Just think of it like giving the AI an open book test, where the book is all of your internal documents. The answers it gives become way more accurate and relevant to your actual business. And if you need even more specialization, you can use fine-tuning. This is where you take a private copy of a foundation model, and you actually train it a little more with your own data. You're basically turning it into a custom-built expert for your very specific needs. So when you look at this whole architecture, you really start to see Bedrock's main advantage. It perfectly blends dead simple ease of use with some seriously incredible power. And the key to all that simplicity is the unified API. This is another one of those core concepts you'll want to remember for the exam. The best way to think about it is like a universal remote for AI. You learn one API, just one way to talk to the service, and you can control any of the models on the platform. This slide really just says it all, doesn't it? The old way, you'd have to learn a bunch of different APIs, deal with separate contracts, manage different security setups for each model provider. It was a mess. Bedrock just sweeps all of that complexity away. It's one managed service, one API, and one security model. Honestly, it's a total game changer. So the really crucial point here is that Bedrock gives you a super simple on-ramp, but it also gives you a clear path to some extremely advanced features for when you're ready. We've already talked about RAG and fine-tuning. The third one you see here is agents. An agent is basically an AI that can not just answer questions, but can actually take action for you, performing complex multi-step tasks across your different systems. These three features, RAG, fine-tuning, and agents, are what let you build truly powerful, customized, enterprise-grade AI applications. So, what's the big takeaway? At the end of the day, Amazon Bedrock is designed to be the single service you need to build with generative AI on AWS. It takes all the complexity out of the equation so you can just focus on building cool stuff. So, there you have it. You're now up to speed on the essential tool for building Gen AI on AWS. The toolkit is in your hands. The only question left is, what amazing things are you going to build with it?